How to set financial goals you'll actually achieve. Imagine waking up in 5 years, looking at your bank account and seeing the results of your hard work. Maybe it's $10,000, $100,000 or more. Or imagine waking up to nothing, stuck in the same place you are today. Which path will you choose? Well, here's the hard truth. Most people fail to achieve their financial goals because they're setting them all wrong. Stick around, because today, I'm showing you the exact steps to set and crush your financial goals so you'll actually reach them. The problem, the fear of failure. You've probably made financial goals before, right? Maybe it was to save a certain amount, pay off debt, or invest more. But here's what happens next. Time passes and nothing changes. Your goals slip through your fingers like sand. You might have even forgotten about them. But why? It's not because you didn't want it badly enough. It's because most people set their goals without understanding how to make them stick. You don't just need a dream, you need a plan. And that's the scary part. Without a proper plan, it feels like you're destined to keep spinning in circles, never getting closer to the life you want. And trust me, I get it. It's easy to fall into the trap of, I'll do it later, until later becomes never. The shift, turning fear into action. All right, it's time to turn things around. No more vague goals, no more waiting. Let's dive into the method that'll actually help you achieve those dreams. And trust me, these steps are going to get you excited. First tip, make your goals smart. First things first, make your goals smart. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Not sure what that means? Don't worry, I'll break it down. By the way, if you're thinking, yeah, I've heard of SMART goals before, let me tell you, most people hear it, but they don't really understand it. This isn't just a buzzword, it's the key to turning your dreams into action. Let's say you want to save $10,000 by the end of the year. That's specific. You can measure it. It's achievable when broken down into manageable chunks. Relevant to your bigger goals? Absolutely. And it's time-bound, meaning you have a deadline. This is how you turn I want to save money into something real. But having a clear goal is just the beginning. Now we need to make sure you stay on track, no matter what. Second tip, break it down into actionable steps. Next up, break your big goal down into bite-sized actionable steps. If you're looking at $10,000, it can feel huge. But if you divide it by 12, that's only about $833 a month. Suddenly, that feels a lot more manageable, doesn't it? Now don't worry, I'm not telling you to starve yourself or cut out all fun to make this happen. No. This is about being strategic with your money. A little planning goes a long way. By breaking it into smaller, more digestible chunks, you'll start seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, one step at a time, and each time you hit a milestone, you're one step closer to your financial freedom. Now here's where things really get exciting. And trust me, this tip could change everything. Third tip, automate your savings. Automation. This is the trick that changes the game. If you're relying on willpower to save money, you're setting yourself up for failure. But if you automate your savings, you remove all the guesswork. Think about it like your Netflix subscription. You don't question whether or not to pay it every month. It just happens. And that's how your savings should work. Set up an automatic transfer right after you get paid. This ensures that your savings are prioritized over other temptations. You won't even have to think about it, and that's the beauty of automation. You'll be saving without even trying. But hold on, this next step is where you'll see whether you're truly on track. Fourth tip, track your progress and adjust regularly. Now this is crucial. You can't just set it and forget it. You have to track your progress regularly. Imagine you're on a road trip. How would you know if you're on course without checking your GPS? Tracking your goals is your financial GPS. And no, this isn't about obsessing over every penny you spend, but it is about staying aware so you can make adjustments if you fall behind. Track your savings, investments, and spending. You don't need a complicated system. Just use an app, a spreadsheet, or even a good old-fashioned notebook. What matters is you know exactly where you stand so you can stay accountable. And the best part? Once you hit those milestones, it's time to celebrate. But here's the thing, don't just stop there. you're just getting started. The reward, living the dream. As you continue this journey, you'll start to see the fruits of your labor. Your savings will grow, your debts will shrink, and you'll have the financial freedom you've always dreamed of. You're not just ticking off boxes, you're building the life you want. But let me tell you something, this journey is far from over. Once you hit one goal, you'll be hungry for the next. And that's the real reward, a life where you are in control of your financial future. So are you ready to take control of your financial future? The time to start is now. Don't wait for tomorrow because tomorrow might never come. Set your goals, break them down, automate them, and track your success. Hit that like button if you're ready to take action, subscribe for more financial tips, and comment below with your biggest financial goal for the year. Let's hold each other accountable and crush it together. You've got this. Let me know if you'd like any further tweaks.